Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take down a AWS project. So I have a project in my AWS called maritime forecasting. So I developed a platform which shows you forecast of maritime freight rates based on some machine learning models. So now I realize that I'm not actually going to continue this project further. So I want to take it down. Because it costs some money to run it in my AWS, right? A lot of the time we talk about these machine learning models, all these cool projects, but we really don't think about the cost it takes to implement them in real practical settings. Okay, so there is a cost for computation, right? So in my project, it uses some machine learning models to make some predictions. So it costs some computation money. And it's actually not that little money as well. Like this is only one project, right? So let's say if I go here to my cost explorer, here you can see my cost breakdown. So in general, it cost me about $50 a month. Yeah, as you can see, average is about $47 a month. And here we can see the breakdown of the costs. Where does the money go really? So majority of the cost is going on EC2 instances, right? So that means we should do something about this. So these are the six segments where my money is going on, where I'm spending the money. So these are the things I have to take care of. And since EC2 is the most important where majority of the money is spent, I will show you mainly this one first, okay? And the rest, you, yeah, should be already kind of gone. But also we can, you can follow it and do the same way, okay? And here is also a catch. So for example, let's go to my EC2. So if I go to my EC2, you see, normally what we have to do is we have to go to instances and then delete our instances. That's the first thing we have to do. But when I come here to my instances, nothing comes here. So it's very weird because here it shows that I have nothing going on, but at the same time, the majority of my cost is on EC2, right? So then I realized that the issue is here, my selected region is by default North Virginia. So if I go to Europe and Stockholm, and then you will see that I have instances running. Okay. So then I go to my instances. This is my instance maritime forecasting. I'm going to select this one. And then I am going to do some actions here. So here instance, so I have three options. I can stop it temporarily, I can reboot, or I can terminate. So actually I'm going to terminate. I don't want this project. So I'm just going to terminate it completely. So I'm going to terminate, successfully terminated. So this is okay. Now I go back to my EC2 dashboard again. It will take maybe some time for this to stop completely, right? And then, I will just check once again. Yeah, the initiated termination. Okay, that's okay. And then I can go to volumes. It's now empty already because when I initiated termination, so it will delete everything from here. If I click the stopped, then I had to delete it from here manually. But since I terminated, it's gone. I will also go to Elastic IPs just to check if there is still something. It looks it also stopped. We'll just double check here in the actions. Yeah, we'll just go with release. If you release the one, yeah, that's okay. So I release it. It's gone. So these are the three main things that we have to actually stop. Okay. So this is the main takeaway here, that you have to actually make sure you have selected the right region where your resources are used, and you have to turn it down for that region. Okay. So that's how you can take down a project and shut down your EC costs and resources. Good luck. Cheers.